Caritho. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today we're going to be doing a nail foil design using the foils that I showed you in my Amazon nail haul video. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So I put tape around my nails because I'm gonna use this makeup sponge to sponge on this glitter polish, and it's better to apply glitter polishes with a sponge because the sponge will soak up the base of the polish and you're left with just the glitter on top. And with the glitter on top, you can get it very opaque in only like 2 or 3 layers, whereas if you were painting it on, you would have to, you know, apply a layer, wait for it to dry, and then apply maybe like 4 or 5 layers after that. So yeah, with glitter polishes, a sponge is the way to go. So now I'm taking off the tape and then apply Sèche Vite, which is my favorite fast dry top coat. I'm just going to apply that because this nail is all done. Now it's time for the good part, the foils. I'm going to use the gold holographic circles, and I'm going to start off with cutting out 4 pieces to put on the 4 nails that I have painted gold. So next I'm going to apply this star glue, which is just foil glue for when you're applying foil on your nails, and all you need is 1 thick coat. If you apply it too thin, then you can see the ridges in your nail under the foil. So all you need is 1 thick coat, and it dries pretty quick. It dries pretty fast. So yeah, once you're done with your second nail, your first nail will already be dry, or like mostly dry. make sure you apply the foil with the dull side down and then smooth it out to cover your whole nail. And then I'm going to take a cuticle pusher to make sure I get it around the sides and around my cuticles. If you missed a spot, you can go back and apply that same piece of foil. If it still doesn't work, you can apply more glue and then apply the same piece of foil again. But I'm going to go ahead and do my ring finger to let that little bit of glue dry first, even though it doesn't take long to dry, but still. I'm going in with this water-based top coat from Born Pretty. You need a water-based top coat when you're doing foils. A regular top coat will dull the finish and will dull the shine and wrinkle the foil. Started peeling the next day, and I don't know if that's because of the glue or the top coat, but even the glue, it had lint and stuff stuck in it, so I don't know. I just still have some experiment to do with nail foils. So I've been thinking about bringing something new to my channel. I really want to do Disney movie reviews, and I say Disney movies specifically because that's what I like to watch. I like watching cartoons. I'll do some comedy, like I like watching comedy too. I don't really care for action, and I definitely don't like horror movies. but I want to do Disney movie reviews because I cannot wait for this Wreck-It Ralph 2 to come out. It comes out in November. I don't remember the date, but I know it comes out in November. So let me know what you think of me doing Disney movie reviews. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button if you did, and I will see you